We are here at Fox Integrated Healthcare. I am here with Ruth. Ruth, how long have you been a patient here for?
I've been here for 6 years since we moved out here in Colorado. So.
Awesome. And what has your experience been like so far?
Fantastic. When I first came in, I was having massive migraines. My spine was all messed up, and put it all back together, and now I don't have that anymore. So very happy.
Good. Is there anything you're able to do now that you weren't able to do before?
Hiking.
Okay.
That's been a huge, something my husband loves to do. Something I always wanted to do, especially here in Colorado, right? That's a huge pastime. And it's just been something that I've been able to accommodate, build up to, be able to use without hurting myself. So it's definitely helped.
Awesome.
Yeah.
And would you recommend our facility to other people looking for help with migraines?
Absolutely. I actually had a friend who I recommended, and he came here and he really liked it. A couple of my friends have been around, my husband too. So yeah, I know you guys are always on my list. So,
Awesome.
yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.